it's Alex's English class. Today I'm going to introduce you about Efron's dice. Well, look, I didn't make the dice, but though this is, the dice. Well, this is a dice, which is made of 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, and 11. Then there's B, which is made of 0, 1, 7, 8, 8, 9. Then there's C, which is made of 5, 5, 6, 6, and 7, 7. And then lastly, D, which is made up of 3, 4, 4, 5, and then 11, 12. Well, Efron's dice is actually, paradox. And let's see why. Well, first, looking at these 4 dice, you can choose one of them. And we are going to do a game when we just roll the dice and then the bigger number wins. So if you choose A and then I choose D and then D gets a 12 and A gets a 9, I will win because 11 is bigger than 9. And so I'm going to let you pick your dice first. Okay, but before that, I'll tell you something that is actually very surprising and will also help you. First, look at this chart. Well, it is what happens when we roll dice for A and B. And so A wins for 22 times and B wins for 12 times. And there's are only 2 ties. So A is better than B. Then after that, there is C and D. Like that, and so C wins 22 times and D wins 12 times, so C is better than D. And lastly of all, B wins 22 times and C wins 12 times, so B is better than C. So this means that A is better than B, B is better than C, and C is better than D. And if we use this as a height, A is taller than B, and B is taller than C, and C is taller than D. And so this means that A should win C and, all the others. So A is the strongest, isn't it? Oh, I'm really sorry. So let's say you pick A. It's like the best choice and you like that. Then I take D, the weakest die. This really does not make sense for me trying to get this one. But then when you see the logic, you'll know that. Here, hold on. Here it is. Here, look, this is, a grid that is made of what will happen when D and A do the game. Well, D wins 22 times and A wins 12 times with 2 ties. Well, it's actually a bit impossible for, A is stronger than B, and so then B is stronger than C, and C is stronger than D, and then so D should be the weakest, because if A can win B, that means A can win C, and which that means A can win D, but the math tells it's the opposite. Well, yeah, really. So, make these dice and go to your friends. And then your friends will probably be pretty surprised. And, using this, you can win every time. If you pick A, I pick D. If you pick D, I pick, C. And then if you choose C, I choose B. If you choose A, I choose D. And if you choose, B, I choose A. You'll probably know that. And so, using this logic, you can go to your friends and win every time. And your friends will be pretty surprised. Okay, today I introduced you about the Efron's dice, and next time I'll come with a different topic. Bye-bye, and see you next time.